Varun, I'll come to you quickly. You know, Christmas celebration has started right here, right now. You know, three of the biggest production studios of our country have actually come together. Geo Studios, sir just talked about Jyoti ji, and Murad sir यहाँ पे हैं, Priya ma'am यहाँ पे हैं. What do you have to say? You know, इतनी तगड़ी backing baby John को इस Christmas.
नहीं बहुत ज़रूरी है तगड़ी बैकिंग आने की, क्योंकि इन टुडेज इन्वायरमेंट अगर आपको फिल्म लेके आनी है तो आपको यू नीड वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग प्रोडक्शन सपोर्ट, दैट इट बिकम्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू रिलीज अ फिल्म अदरवाइज, बिकॉज वेरी लार्जर देन लाइफ फिल्म्स आर ओनली कमिंग नाउ डेज. ऐसे इन्वायरमेंट हो गया. सो इन दैट मच टाइम अप्रॉक्सीमेटली इट विल बी 55 days after which a Hindi film is going to release now, an all-out Hindi film right now, abhi theaters. So we, like at least said, we need your support here in this market. Please, to the press, thank you for giving us so much love. And and Christmas is a time when I have always wanted to release films. हमेशा से मैं चाहता था कि मेरी कोई film Christmas में आए, because it's a time when children really love watching films. They like going out, and we've had to really fight and struggle to get this date, because ये date historically this date has been आमिर sir बहुत फिल्में release करते थे historically on this date, you know. So we are very lucky and thankful to Amir sir that he's given us this date, and with his blessing we are going ahead. And one more thing, I just want all the press to congratulate Kirti Suresh here. She's newly married. हमारी नई नवेली दुल्हन आई है यहाँ पे मुंबई में. So
thank you so much. Thank you. He had
Thank
told
you.
me backstage that he's going to embarrass me. He's going to say this 100 times. But thank you so much.
I don't want to be the only married actor. Now we both are. Congratulations, but.
Thank you. Thank you.
कीर्ति मैं आपके पास ही आ जाता हूँ. वेलकम टू आमची मुंबई वन मोर टाइम. पिछली बार धमाका हुआ था. नाउ वी ऑल सेट फॉर दिस धमाका विद ऑल दीज वंडरफुल पीपल. टॉक टू अस अबाउट दिस टीम एंड कोलैबोरेटिंग विद दिस जेंटलमैन हियर्स. मतलब ये अलग हैं कुछ.
Yes, first of all, thanks to Atli and Priya, because this is one of my favorite characters. Can I say that? Yeah. Yeah.
Be open. It's all yours. Come on.
Yeah, so this is one of my favorite character that has been played before. And to have me in this film, thank you so much, Atli. We've been friends for a very long time, but this is the first time I got to work with Atli and Priya. And hopefully the next time in his direction and not just his production. Thank you, Atli, and thank you, Murad Bhai and team. And I love her work from this film called Goda in Malayalam. She was brilliant in that. And yeah, she's a boxer in that. Sorry, wrestler, sorry. So very happy that we are in the same film. And Varun, his energy is great. He's a great actor. But I feel this time in Baby John, I think you all are going to see a very different Varun Dhawan. And I'm very, very excited for you, Varun. And Kali's, Kali's, I think, if we give him a chance, he'll ask me to shoot even now. But his efforts and all his hard work, it's all going to be worth it. Thank you, Kalis. I've learned a lot from you, and that's more important. So thank you so much, and thank you all. We need all your support. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for sharing all of that. Vamik, I'll quickly.
I just want to add that at least you're looking very handsome today.
He's always handsome.
No, but आज
Thank you.
आज आप कुछ अलग ही लग रहे हो. First time seeing you in the suit boot, मतलब you're looking very handsome.
I
today.
think because he's sitting
Producer avatar, sir. Producer avatar.
Right, Vamika, there's a lot of positivity और ये bonding बड़ी कमाल की दिख रही है पहले दिन से, you know, when we saw the first look और उसके बाद से अब तक. Talk to us about this entire journey अभी, because 7 दिन रह गए हैं बस, release को तैयार हैं हम.
I know, मैं बहुत excited हूँ. मुझे किसी ने ना बहुत पहले बोला था कि अगर आपको समझना हो कि कोई डायरेक्टर कैसा है या कोई राइटर कैसा है, you watch their films, you'll know what he believes in. So if you'll see Atli sir's films, the female characters in his films are so strong, and that shows that how much he appreciates the women in his life. And even in this film, while shooting for this film, ये कुछ अलग experience था मेरे लिए. इतने खूबसूरत लोग हैं ये लोग दिल से, इतने सिक्योर हैं, इतना प्यार है इनके अंदर. I feel so lucky that I got a chance to work with them. My first meeting with Atlee sir, he inspired me ki how important it is to be a good person. And I think even in our film, you'll see that the main focus is that how important it is to be a good person, how important it is, how important good upbringing is. So I think it shows what he believes in, what Kali sir believes in. It was a blast working with Kali sir, first of all, I have to tell you.
You want to imitate him?
No, no, Varun. But it was amazing. It was one of a kind of an experience. I always wanted to work with Murad sir. I am so happy that we are working together. I'm very grateful and thankful. It has been an incredible experience working with Varun and Kirti. Kirti ke saath mere itne scenes nahi hai, but the love that I feel from her is just how do you have so much love in your heart? I love it. Thank you so much.
She just got married now, तो होता है. निकलता है प्यार.
It just
शादी के
you
बाद.
know, Varun के बारे में मैंने जितना मैं जानती थी through films or interviews, when I worked with him, I understood what a beautiful human being he is. Never, you know, generally when you work with a star who has done so many films and has a name, it can be very intimidating. But he made sure that I feel super comfortable so that I can give my 100% on set. And it was amazing. Thank you so much for being
Thank
so
you.
nice.
Likewise, likewise.
But Atlee sir, thank you.
Thank
You have
you.
no idea how much I've learned from you, the kind of personality you are. I think one thing that I'm going to really take away from this experience is you. The empathy, the love that you have for everyone and everyone's journey. Thank you for inspiring me. It's beautiful.
Thank you.
I
Thank you,
mean,
Amika.
thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so
I
much.
love you, Priya ma'am. And Zara, I love you.
Oh, that was cute. Priya ma'am, I'll quickly come to you. Murad sir, मैं आपके पास भी आने वाला हूँ. Talk to us about this entire ये जो bonding है. You know, this is what we are talking right now. It's Christmas celebration, festivities हैं. Talk to us about it, please.
Hi everybody. We are very, very, very happy to be here in the first place because this is like a dream come true for us because we are just babies and this is our first production in Bollywood. So first of all, I would like to thank Cineone Murad sir. We learnt a lot from him. He handled this project like with so much of love and thank you so much, Murad sir. He's family now to us. And thank you so much, Varun sir. Thank you so much for trusting us.
Priya, you're younger than me or we're the same age?
Almost the same.
So then why are you calling me sir? You know, it's so strange that because even Atlee sir and me, we are the same age. We are the same age. We are the same age. So then if he calls me sir, I have to call. We are only saying sir, 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 sir. But and he's a very cool guy besides being a
Of course, yeah.
producer
yeah.
and
Cool
director.
guy.
A very cool cat. The cool cat.
No, he's a very, very, very cool person. Like, I've learned a lot from Atlee. And thank you so much, Kirti. Like, she's like our best friend. And I know that she came into this film just for us. So thank you so much, Kirti. Kitty. And Vamika, you're such a wonderful performer, Vamika. I really adore you, like, on screen. You're such a wonderful performer. And myself and Atlee, we're very, very proud to launch our family member, Khalis. He's more than a friend to us. He's been with us throughout the journey in Bollywood. So thank you so much, Khalis. No one could have done this. No one could have done justice to this film. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. And
Khalis is crying.
and we hope to see the same love from you all. And Baby John is releasing this Christmas. Please, please, please watch it in theaters. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Priya ma'am. Thank you so much. बहुत कुछ होना बाकी है. As I said, three of the biggest. Yeah,
नितिन
please.
अभी तू बहुत खींच रहा है, इनको क्वेश्चन पूछना है.
मैं आ ही रहा था सर, डायरेक्टर साहब तक तो पहुंच जाऊं.
नहीं, मैं पहले क्वेश्चन डायरेक्टर साहब को मैं ही पूछ
Done.
लेता हूं.
आप पूछोगे?
प्रेस के साइड से.
Sir.
सर फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन यू हैव, सर फर्स्ट डोंट.
Please.
First, Kali sir, it's your debut over here. I think all the media here, everyone in Mumbai wants to know that how easy or difficult did you find it to shoot here in Mumbai, sir?
First of all, I want to thank you all. And I want to thank my friend Atli, because without him, I can't be here. He gave me address. So and, I want to thank Priya, my sister, and Murad sir. And I want to thank my hero, Varun sir, Kirti ma'am, and Vamika, and Baby also, because I tortured them a lot. Still, they're loving me. That is why, I don't know why. But thank you everyone. And for the Varun sir question, it's a mindset. Difficulty and easy, it's a mindset. First, when you are going to the different culture, we have to understand the culture, we have to respect the culture. Once you respect them, you get the respect back. So from south down and to north, Jawan is the great experience for me when I'm doing a second unit director, when with the opportunity to go to work with legends like Shah Rukh sir, Nayanthara ma'am, and a lot of people. This gives me a lot of experience. And the way of working style from south north it's totally different. But once you understand the basic, it will be easy for everyone. It's nothing new. No? Everyone using the camera, everyone using the same thing. The people, the way the talking is different, but everybody is beautiful. That is the one thing we have common all over India.
Absolutely.
Just saw Varun ragging you on the stage. Was he doing the same on while shooting also?
Both of them, you're asking?
Yeah, of course. First Vamika.
पहले Vamika. Did I rag you?
बदमाशी करता था क्या बहुत?
बदमाशी करता था?
Ragging.
बोलो.
नहीं आई थिंक हम सब रियली एक तो हम वैसे भी बहुत सब रिलैक्स लोग हैं तो कोई ड्रैग करके नहीं लेके जाता था सेट पे.
सर
हम सब
इसको
बहुत-
लोग जानते नहीं अभी तक. ये खुली नहीं है आप सबके सामने अभी तक. शी धीरे धीरे खुलेगी. हु? ये मेरे को रैग करती थी. मैं कोशिश करता था इनको रैग करने के लिए, बट मैं रैग हो जाता था फिर. ये तो गुंडी है. तो ऑटो में अभी टुक में.
If I take you in auto, doesn't mean I'll become a
She said तू चल ऑटो में चल. क्या गाड़ी में जा रहा है? स्टार है क्या? फुल ऑटो में घुमाया मुझे, पूरा भारत दर्शन किया. देन एट नाइट शी सेड सीलिंग नहीं देखा है मैंने. सीलिंग में जाना चाहिए हम लोग को. तो नहीं, ऑटो में नहीं गए, वो गाड़ी में गए.
On a serious note, how was it working with Varun, both the girls?
Varun is great. I mean, jokes apart, he's a great human being. And like Vamika said, he makes sure that he comforts you so much because he is happy when you are happy. All said and done, but he also pulls your leg a lot. He does rag me. And he says I rag him too much, but I don't know. Really? ठीक है, मैं अभी शादी करके आई हूँ तो I'm sitting very decent अभी.
हेलो हेलो
किनसे पूछ रहे हैं आप? कि वामिका एज अ को-एक्टर?
Vamika, how is Varun as a co-actor?
How is he?
मैंने एक्चुअली अपनी इंट्रोडक्शन में सबसे पहले वही बात की दैट इट वाज अ प्लेजर वर्किंग विद हिम. जनरली लोग कोई भी इंटिमिडेट होगा दैट यू गोइंग टू बी वर्किंग विद सच अ ब्यूटिफुल बिग टीम हु हैव been doing excellent work in their fields, and I was nervous, but the first day only when I met him, when we worked together, I knew it's going to be easy. I will be able to give my best in this, and that shows what kind of a human being he is. अगर नहीं अच्छा होता तो मैं ज़बरदस्ती कुछ नहीं बोलती आज. मतलब he is so good that I want to like बार-बार तारीफ करना चाहती हूँ तुम्हारी मैं. That he's such a secure actor. He is so supportive. He would always want कि जितना अच्छा हो सके उतना. Like he's not someone who'll only think about himself, and that's the best thing about him.
Oh, and
Hello.
he gossips a lot.
या हेलो हाय या सो वरुण, जब आप लोगों ने एंट्री मारी एंड वो जो बच्ची है प्यारी सी जो फिल्म
चली
में
गई।
आपकी बेटी का रोल कर रही है, उसके साथ जो
Sarah,
आपका
come here, come here.
Zara, she wants to come here. You have to say 5 times का table. Come here.
सी
हाँ.
दिस इज व्हाट आई वाज सेइंग कि जब आपने एंट्री की and जिस तरीके से आप उसके साथ खेल रहे थे, उसको प्रोटेक्ट कर रहे थे फ्रॉम दिस, ये जो जो हो रहा था, एक बहुत ही खूबसूरत सा फादरली इंस्टिंक्ट नजर आया. डज इट चेंज यू वरुण आफ्टर बिकमिंग अ फादर?
You know, honestly, मैं बचपन से ही मुझे बच्चों के साथ मजा आता था. Though I was a kid, I would enjoy. When I did films also earlier in my career, I would always concentrate कि जो मैं content बाहर डाल रहा हूँ, kids can watch these kind of films. You know, I want to make films that children can watch, they can enjoy, put a smile on their faces, and that's why I enjoy a lot with kids. I enjoy their games. I enjoy doing masti with them, and I saw her bottle. It's so pretty. And with her, तो मुझे बहुत मजा आया इसके साथ. हम लोग ने इतना shooting किया है साथ में. And I have to say something about Zara, that she is a very, very good actor. Don't go by how old she is. She's a very, very good actor. She's a very intelligent actor. And वो जिस तरीके के emotions लेके आते हैं.
You see that?
ये.
She's too
She's
smart.
full धमाल है ये. फटाका है एक नंबर की. And we had a lot of fun together. She has another little sister and little brother also. I would play with her little sister also in the van. And she gave me a gift for my baby. You know, when I had a baby,
Oh.
she gave me a gift also. So thank you, Zara.
बट हैव यू चेंज्ड एज अ पर्सन?
I don't know. अभी मतलब पहले भी अच्छा ही बोलते थे, अभी भी अच्छा ही बोल रहे तो. Change मतलब after becoming a father, have I changed? I don't know यार, मैं इतना अपने आप को study नहीं कर रहा हूँ अभी. But मैं कोशिश, right now I'm running such a tight schedule, इधर से उधर भाग रहा हूँ कि I'm only changing clothes. As a person, I don't think I'm changing as yet. I think I'm becoming back like my old personality, like how I was during मैं तेरा हीरो. मैं वैसे ही वापस वो zone में जा रहा हूँ, I'm feeling.
Hi guys.
Next question.
वरुण, मैं आपसे जानना चाहूँगी, सलमान जी के साथ आपने कोलैबोरेशन किया है. हाउ वाज दैट फीलिंग? कितना एंजॉय किया?
बहुत अच्छा. It's been one of its kind. आजकल लोग सिर्फ Instagram पे कोलैबोरेशन कर रहे हैं.
Yeah.
हम लोग actual film में कर रहे हैं proper collaboration, which feels good. And he's one of a kind, has the largest heart in our business. And I think when you see the film, all his fans are going to be very, very, very pleased.
Any compliment you got from Salman ji?
वो सीधा compliment तो देते नहीं है. मुझे बस, I mean, he just saw me, said, "Baby John, बड़ा हो गया baby." I mean, I don't know if that's a compliment, but yeah, I mean, वो in his style.
Hi Varun. I would like to ask you, we have earlier also seen many times you are performing quite bold and quite daring stunts. So how difficult this time was doing some stunts, because it's a quite daredevil stunts. Was there any challenges? Did you injured?
No, that's a very good question, and बहुत different था, because the kind of stunts और जिस तरीके का action हम लोग ने बेबी जॉन में किया, it's not usually हम लोग जैसे करते हैं यहाँ पे. हमारे जो action directors थे, right from Arnal sir to Yannick to Stan Siva to some other ones that we used, it's a mix of a lot of international meets Indian stunt masters. I remember one story when I was shooting a very big rain fight in Kerala. I was shooting in Kochi. And before going for the fight, Atlee sir called and just warned me. He said, "Sir, if you don't want to do a stunt, don't do it." He said, "If you don't want to do a certain stunt, please avoid it. You tell Kalis no, because he will push you." And then after that, I realized that he called Kalis and told the same thing to Kalis, that if Varun says he wants to do something and it's very dangerous, you don't agree. So later on, he told me that you all are both mad, so I have to be careful you all don't do some crazy things. But that didn't stop Kalis, obviously. He hung me for 6 hours upside down. He made me ride a horse at 5 o'clock in the morning, and a lot of other torture he's done. But
You can only do that, sir.
Huh?
That's why. You can only do that, sir. That's why.
sir, every actor you say the same thing. You can only do that.
Congratulations to the entire team. We are loving what we are seeing on screen. The music, the performances. My question is for Kirti. I'm loving you on screen.
Thank you so
Nain
much.
Mataka song, the chemistry is fire. Please, will we get to see you more on screen in the Hindi belt?
I mean, of course, I'm hoping so. But yeah, from whatever we've done, first of all, thank you so much. And this film is going to be very big, and I love my character. I've honestly loved playing this character, and fingers crossed. I'm hoping for the best. Thank
Can
you
we
so much.
manifest the next produced and directed by Atli with Kirti in Hindi?
Yeah, of course, for sure. I think as an audience, when I saw the film, I think Kirti is going to create a great attraction towards the audience for sure. 100% she has everything. And in the emotional way, what she has done, I think it's fabulous. It's fabulous.
Thank you so much.
Thank
And you
you.
were looking beautiful, beautiful bride.
Thank you so much.
अरुण, जब बी नाम की लेटर आपकी मूवीज में आती है वो हमेशा हिट हुई है. आपके लिए बी काफी लकी रहा है. भेड़िया हो गया, बदलापुर हो गया, नाउ बेबी जॉन, बवाल भी आई थी. तो डू यू थिंक बी लेटर इज योर की टू सक्सेस?
सर बात तो सही है, बात में दम है. एंड बेबी जॉन एक बम है जो 25 दिसंबर को फटेगा, और कितना बड़ा फटेगा क्रिसमस पे, दैट आई थिंक द ऑडियंस हैज टू डिसाइड. जनता जनार्दन. सो फॉर मी इट्स ऑलवेज द ऑडियंस. I mean, I don't get into this. I hope so. It's going to be lucky again. I pray. But सब जनता जनार्दन हम लोग पिक्चरें ऑडियंस के लिए बनाते हैं, and them liking it and them disliking it, they decide. They are the decider. So सब ऑडियंस के ऊपर है.
एंड लेट मी रिमाइंड यू अ बिट, आपकी एक कोका कोला की कमर्शियल थी जिसमें ऊपर से ना जूते फेंकता था एक इंसान,
हाँ जी.
और जो आपको दिखा रहा था वो मैं ही था.
आप ही थे?
It's been like 12 years now.
Oh my God, hi, how are you?
My question is, कोका कोला की टीवी कमर्शियल हमने करी थी, एंड नाउ जो कोका कोला का ब्रांड एम्बेसडर हैं दिलजीत दोसांझ, वो आपकी फिल्म के अंदर दिख रहे हैं. टेल मी अबाउट दैट कोलैबोरेशन. इट्स फॉर द प्रोड्यूसर्स ऑल्सो एंड फॉर यू ऑल्सो, द एक्सपीरियंस विद दिलजीत दोसांझ.
दिलजीत पाजी के साथ काम करके तो बहुत ही ज़्यादा अच्छा लगा. आई थिंक पूरा भारत उनसे बहुत प्यार करते. द वे इज एंटरटेनिंग अस थ्रू ऑल हिज टूर्स, एंड ऑनेस्टली इट जस्ट टुक वन रिक्वेस्ट. एक बार खाली पूछा उनसे, गाना भेजा थमन सर का, उनको गाना बहुत पसंद आया. इसलिए आई वुड लव टू वर्क विद एटली सर, आई वुड लव टू सिंग फॉर यू. एंड वो सेट पे आए, एंड ही वॉज जस्ट अ ड्रीम टू वर्क विद. आई थिंक वर्किंग विद दिलजीत वॉज सो ईजी दैट डे. वी हैड सो मच फन. बहुत मज़े किए हम लोग ने साथ में, एंड आई थिंक ही इज़ इन अ स्पिरिचुअल प्लेस. भाई वो एक आर्टिस्ट है जो बहुत प्योर है, एंड वो जिस तरीके से लोगों को एंटरटेन करे, इट्स सो ब्यूटिफुल टू सी. जस्ट अफार से देखना उनको बहुत मज़ा आता है. एंड आई एम गोइंग टू बी को-स्टार्स विद हिम आल्सो सून. हम लोग एक पिक्चर भी कर रहे हैं अभी नेक्स्ट. बट I'm very happy. So thank you Diljit Paji for singing our song Nain Mein Takka, and song is doing so well. Gana hit ho gaya hai. So a lot of credit goes to him, to Dhee, to Thaman sir, to Irshad bhai, and Atli sir also for getting us the songs.
I want to ask Varun that the last time we spoke, you said that Atli sir did mention to you that after Citadel, you will get the confidence on OTT to finally believe that people are going to love you in action, and now people have really appreciated you in Citadel. It went so well. Do you feel super confident for a theatrical action release?
That's a good question. I think my confidence, a lot of my confidence comes from my makers, my co-stars, the people I work with. They give me the confidence, and the way this man makes films, the way he produces films, the way he puts films together, puts a lot of confidence. The way Murad sir, almost every day I talk to him more than his family. So the way he gives me confidence every day to fight, to level up in life means a lot. But above all, I genuinely want to say that this gentleman over here, if this film is going to, when it does well, I hope it's going to do very well. It's going to be because of him. Because more than confidence, he's put in a lot of emotion into this film. You know, वो जो आग है उनमें, वो जो जज्बा है उनमें, वो it's the amount he's put na, it's very difficult. We are also pushing, even I'm pushing every day, like giving my best. But he's been relentless. His tears are going to make this film a very, very big one.
Arun, hi. So I wanted to ask you one thing. So, you know, when there is a kid involved during the filming, kids are very honest with their feedback. What was that one feedback that you probably got from Zara?
Why are you taking so many takes? Do it quickly. And yeah, if something, see, for a child, you're right. If a child, something she doesn't find pure or real, if the emotion is not real, then they don't connect. Because they don't know the real difference between acting and real life. They are not making that distinction as yet. Whatever emotion they're showing, वो लोग 100% दिखा रहे. So Zara, every emotion had to be real for her to feel it. Whether it was giving cues, whether the way we would talk in scenes, the way we would communicate with each other. She's a very spontaneous actor. और वो comedy भी बहुत करती है. But she's really adorable. Yeah,
She's the star of the film.
Yeah, she is the star.
Zara, you'll answer one question for me?
Yeah, she'll answer.
She talks a lot.
You ask.
She
What
can
do you
talk
want to
a
ask?
lot.
Say, क्या पूछना क्या है आपको?
So I want to ask Zara, how was it working with Varun sir for you, Zara?
अच्छा, wait. 1 minute. Take.
It was very fun, and I really learned how to listen now.
A good answer.
Thank you. You are very adorable.
Thanks.
पूछ लो, she's answering.
कुछ और पूछना है ज़ारा से?
She's in the mood. You guys should ask the questions now.
हाँ बोलो पाजी बोलो उधर से. पूछो. Who was your best friend on the set?
Buddy. Buddy.
Buddy, oh. You said Amol. She means you, or she means no? She means.
How much did you train her, Amu?
I mean, this guy is your best friend. He's not even his best friend's best friend. Okay. Oh my. Okay. Sorry. He is a good guy. He looks like Santa Claus. Even we love him.
Second favorite?
Okay. Second favorite.
Second favorite?
It's Vamika, ma'am.
The trailer looks amazing, the poster looks amazing, and I think this is gonna be larger than life cinema, as Varun you said earlier. My question is to Atlee or Kalis or whoever can take this question. Like, past 2 years have been full of cameos, films filled with cameos, and whichever film which has cameo did well. So for filmmakers, is it a conscious decision now to have a cameo or a big surprise in the film?
See, we are entertainers. We go all out to entertain the audience. And cameos are, in certain films, are made for make a added advantage to the film. But certain films have cameos which even the script demands. I think if I have to say about Baby John, it has both. It needed an added advantage. At the same time, the script demanded someone in a very, very, very big scale who can be the boss of everyone. So he's going to be the boss of everyone. That's the snippet I can give. So someone has to be very big. So I asked Morad sir if Salman sir can do it, it will be great. Then it immediately happened.
वरुण, मेरा सवाल आपसे है. स्टंट्स और ये सब पर तो बहुत सारी बातें हुई, लेकिन जहाँ तक आपकी बदलापुर का सवाल है, वो भी एक कॉज बेस्ड फिल्म थी और उसको आज तक हम भूल नहीं पाए हैं. इवन आमिर जी ने हमें अपने बर्थडे में बताया था कि नए बच्चों में मुझे वरुण का काम बदलापुर में बहुत पसंद आया था. ये फिल्म भी उसी पर मतलब कुछ एक कॉज बेस्ड फिल्म है. तो कितना चैलेंजिंग था एक कॉज बेस्ड फिल्म को करना और उसमें एक मासी कैरेक्टर को भी प्ले करना?
बहुत चैलेंजिंग होता है, इमोशनली बहुत चैलेंजिंग होता है. कुछ ऐसे सीन्स है ये फिल्म में जब हम लोग करते थे, काफ़ी सीन्स है वे आई वुड बी इमोशनली वेरी ड्रेन्ड एंड बहुत डिफ़िकल्ट हो जाता था. जिस तरीके से शूट होता था तो कलीसा वुड इनफैक्ट tell me that Varun, don't get so emotional in the scene, try and be straight. But मैं scene में perform करते ही I would sometimes break down because the issue that we are trying to show and the kind of case that we deal with in this film वो बहुत hard hitting है, spine chilling है, and it comes in a very commercial way. But in a commercial film, I don't think कि ऐसा कभी case किसी ने दिखाया है in this way. And I can guarantee you that chapter of the film, जब वो आएगा, it is going to shake up people. I'm sure about that. I don't want to talk about the other prospects of the film, but I know about that piece because when we were shooting that, there are 2-3 scenes like that which hit me also because मैंने कभी हिंदी फिल्मों में ऐसा इतना extreme में गया नहीं हूँ. I mean, yeah, in Badlapur, yeah, we would. In this, it's little different because किसी और के साथ हो रहा है, but और ये होता है हमारे सोसाइटी में, हम कितनी बार सुनते हैं इसके बारे में. I don't want to go too deep into it, but I can just tell you that the case is going to hit everyone very badly.
यहाँ पे
हाँ जी बाजी, हाँ बोलिए.
कैसे हैं आप?
बढ़िया.
Congratulations to you and the team. मेरा सवाल वरुण भाई आपसे है कि आपने डुअल रोल कर लिया जुड़वा में. अब यहाँ जो फिल्म है, इट इज अबाउट डुअल आइडेंटिटी. जैसे हमने देखा कि कई ऐसी फिल्में रही हैं, ऐसे पेट्टा होगी या ना दरबार की, where the actor or the main character is having a dual identity.
हम
Of course, कॉप नहीं, नॉर्मल भी ऐसे डुअल आइडेंटिटी होती है. व्हाट इज योर फेवरेट फिल्म? जैसे हम देखते हैं ना कि हाँ भाई डुअल आइडेंटिटीज वाली फिल्में होती हैं जहाँ पे एक्टर का कुछ और होता है लेकिन निकलता कुछ और.
I love हम. मुकुल आनंद directed that film. It's called हम. फिल्म में अमिताभ जी थे, रजनीकांत सर थे, गोविंदा जी थे, and मुकुल आनंद is one of my favorite directors while growing up. खुदा गवाह भी बनाई थी उन्होंने, and that film उस वक्त भी जिस अग्निपथ भी बनाई थी उन्होंने, the original, and उस वक्त जब उन्होंने फिल्म बनाई थी टेक्निकली भी बहुत अहेड थी वो फिल्म. सो हम जिस तरीके का बैकग्राउंड दिया था, जिस तरीके से अमित जी का वो पास्ट और प्रेजेंट दिखाते थे, सो या तो मतलब आई थिंक अमित जी ने ऐसे कितने आइकॉनिक फिल्में की है, यू नो, देयर सो मच टू लर्न फ्रॉम हिम इटसेल्फ, जो कि न्यूअर जनरेशन ऑफ एक्टर्स शुड नॉट forget that Bible. We should not forget that Bible staying here. We should keep watching that.
Okay, so while shooting this film, आपको कोई ऐसा लगा you're living that moment? भले हमसे ना से, but कोई ऐसी फिल्म हो जो आपको लगा हो?
नहीं, वो यही जो अभी बोला मैंने, हम का ही मोमेंट है.
Okay.
वो एक शॉट है ना अमित जी का, जो झगड़ा होता है किधर बाहर, एंड देन वो
बस स्टॉप पे,
एंड देन ही रन्स, एंड या मुझे वो बहुत याद आया था एट दैट पॉइंट.
ओके क्यू जी.
वरुण सर, जो विलन के किरदार में जैकी श्रॉफ सर नजर आ रहे हैं, बहुत ही स्ट्रॉन्ग किरदार ऑन स्क्रीन देखने को मिलता है. उनसे काम करते वक्त आपको क्या कुछ सीखने को मिला और किस तरह का अनुभव रहा जैकी श्रॉफ सर के साथ काम करते वक्त?
बहुत चिल्ड आउट आदमी है वो, बहुत ही आसान है उनके साथ काम करना, उनके सामने रहना, एंड हिज बिहेवियर इज अमेजिंग. वो कैसे लोगों को ट्रीट करते हैं ऑफ स्क्रीन, वो बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिलता है उनसे. And he's too cool, yeah. He's one of the coolest actors we have here. और मुझे थोड़ा बहुत एक्शन भी करना था उनके साथ, काफ़ी कुछ चीज़ें हैं मेरी उनके साथ, but he gave me full freedom. He's very fit, still very very fit. So I think Kalis and me had a great time working with Jackie sir. I think he was an amazing fit. Atlee sir has worked with Jagu Dada in Bigil as well before this, and from day one for the casting of our for this role, Atlee sir he said, this is the man, and he's gone beyond. I think this is I couldn't say reintroduction, but this is Jackie Shroff 3.0, I would say. You see what he's done in the film.
Subscribe to Midday India. Get direct notifications on all our videos by clicking on the bell icon.